Hey guys, I'm at Mom's in her dining room, and today we'll be hanging a mural, a Milton and King mural. And they come in panels, right? So this is actually a large mural. I had to get the large to cover the wall entirely. They come smaller, but you know, it gives you like each panel pre-cut, ready to roll. And you can see here we've got 7 panels, and this is panel 4 of 7. Danimal's with me today from Austin. Yep. And so yeah, he may complicate things. We don't know yet, probably, but
for sure.
For sure. All right. Anyway, it's okay. It's Mom's. If he fucks it up, she'll have to forgive him. All right. Okay, guys. So according to these instructions with this, I'm supposed to start on one end and go to the other end. But I can tell you guys, after years of putting in murals, and with all the variations that we have in these walls, with the unevenness in the floor and the ceiling, and the ins and outs of walls, when you do that, what happens is you end up forcing all your flaws into one direction. Yeah. And so what happens is if there's any kind of misalignment on the seams, which can happen from those types of variations, or anything on the floor, the ceiling's off a little bit, it's going to show up more drastically if you run it from one side to the other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the middle, right, with panel 4. I found my dead point here in the middle. I divided in half what the width of the paper is, and I made my straight line. So panel 4 is going to go in first, and then I'll go 3, 2, 1, right, and then I'll go 5, 6, 7 to finish it out. So that way, if there is any kind of discrepancies in this wall, it works itself out in both directions and not in one direction, which can throw off my mural. So I'm going to do this my way in that regard, because I just have far better results that way when installing murals. So Dan thinks the glue looks gluey. I agree with him. You want to give it a nice even coat. I need to do this in Australian from here on out, because Milton and King's an Australian company. Australian from here, and Dan's got to do Australian too, or be a mute, whichever way. Eventually, we like to go down under. We want to go down under.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Queensland,
New Zealand. Yeah. So we're going to just keep going, time lapse the rest of this over here on the iPad, and then see where we end up today. Now Dan's complaining about the thickness. He says it's thicker than he's used to. He likes it a little thinner. I like it thick. I like it juicy and thick, you know, right?
Well, I wasn't complaining. I was just commenting that it was thicker.
He was complaining. He was complaining. Totally complaining. Rare opportunity for me to have somebody else working with me. So here we go. I can do some recording while he's working.
Yeah.
Yep.
And I'm in training. My first time to ever glue a wall.
First time ever. Now look, you use generous amounts on that wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might show this plenty.
Okay. Well.
Yeah, I think that's a little thin. I think you need to thicken it up.
Yep.
You need to make sure it's gonna stick properly.
I don't lay it on as thick as you do, Jared.
Yeah, I lay it thick.
Yep.
Look at Dan go. Look at him. Would you look at him?
Get it on there thick. Gotta lay it on thick just like JARROD.
You're right. I like it thick. That's right. Thick like me. This is how we Americans do it.
Alright, is that good, you think?
That's good, yeah. And we can go the other way as well. So I'll let you go the other way. I'll get this rig reset. Boom.
Alright.
Yeah, we're gonna go the other way. Right, so, you know, this is the Trail of Dan. You see it? The Trail of Dan. He swears it's glue. He swears it's glue. I'm gonna believe him on this one. All right, so an anomaly just happened. I think it's an anomaly. So Dan was rolling by the return dock down here. See there? And there was a little bit of dust. And what happened is it went up the wall. Okay, that's not a good thing, but it's not a bad thing either. It's not really gonna make a difference. I just want him to feel bad about it. So, there we go. Yeah, but it'll be all right. I ain't worried about it. A little crud never hurt nothing. And it's embedded in glue, and it should be all right. I'm not gonna fuck with it anyway. Actually, we are gonna fuck with it. I can't let that go. So yeah, we just take our finger. Let's get a close-up shot of this. Right. Take our finger down. We're gonna finger it off. Did I say that right? We're gonna finger it off. I don't know how else would you explain that. You're gonna put your finger on it and you're gonna push and pull. Right? You're gonna do it the way God intended. So, like that. Yeah. Put your finger on it and pull it off. You see there? There you go, Danimal.
Mm-hmm.
You've fingered things before, I can tell.
Yeah.
That's right. See? So we got it off. It looks pretty good. I think we'll be alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
How's it taste?
Pretty good. Not bad. Better than Mom's cooking. So it looks like Danimal's reached the end over here. And now we're going to start throwing up some panels. So I got 2 blades ready, right? Now this is my standard blade. This is what I use every day. This is made by Putty. It's stainless steel and it's great, right? It never tarnishes. This one is a marshmallow and it's not stainless steel and it tarnishes. So for the most part, I don't want to use this, but today I'm in a pinch. I got to have 2. So I'm going to give Dan my stainless steel one. I'm going to use this one and we're going to make it happen. That's right. All right, guys, so we wrapped it. Check it out. Yep.
Oh my word, oh my gracious. Oh, it's gorgeous, guys. Wow. Wow. Ooh, ooh, wee. Oh man. What do you think, Hanky? It's good, huh?
And remember, put it on thick. All right. Where's my off button? That is. Boom.